Dear Diary, today was a good day, a really good day. I had coffee with a friend. I still can't believe I have a friend here, in this city. And before that, Anna told me her big news. When I came to work, I was so nervous. But oh, it was wonderful. Let me tell you. Welcome back. I am Stasy. And some time ago, I moved to a new country alone. Tonight, just notice two little words, was and were, when I talk about feelings in the past. Subscribe and follow my new life, one page at a time. This morning, I went back to the flower shop. My hands were cold. I was scared. Anna wants to talk to me, I thought. Is the job over? But Anna smiled. Stasy, she said, yesterday was hard for you, I know, but you didn't give up. You tried again and again. I want you to stay. I am happy to have you here. I was so relieved. My first job was safe. After work, I met Amara at the little cafe. I was nervous at first. My English was slow, but Amara was patient and tried to help. She was funny and kind. So, where are you from? She asked. I told her about my home, my mother, my long trip. Wow, she said, you are brave. Me? Brave? I was surprised to hear that. The coffee was warm, the cafe was cozy, and for 1 hour, I was just a normal girl with a friend. I wasn't lost, I wasn't afraid. I was just happy. We talked for a long time. Amara is an art student. She loves music and old films. We were different, but it was easy to understand each other. We laughed so much. I am glad I found you on that street, she said. Me too, I said. I was so lost that night. Well, Amara smiled, now you are not lost. Now you have me. Before we said goodbye, Amara gave me a hug. Text me whenever you want or need, okay? We are friends now. Friends. Such a small word. Such a big feeling. I couldn't stop smiling when I was walking home. But then I opened my fridge and saw that it was empty. Completely empty. Tomorrow, I have to go to the big supermarket. Alone. I'll have to speak in English there. And dear diary, I didn't know it yet, but tomorrow I would cry between the apples and the bread. Thank you for reading page 5 with me. Today I was happy. I was not alone. A good friend makes a strange city feel like home. Good night, dear diary. Good night, my friend.